The staff and students, based at our Greater Kruger project site, were lucky enough to meet a secretive resident of our research camp. The African civet, Civettictis civetta, is primarily a nocturnal predator of the family Viverridae, and is the largest member of this family in Africa. Their facial markings and habits have been likened to that of the North American trash panda, or Racoons. Civets primarily rely on their sense of smell and sound, although they do have excellent vision. We can see in this video that it is relying primarily on its sense of smell and hearing to navigate around the camp, seeking scraps or prey animals to feed on. Although it is wary of the humans, it is very bold in its exploration, only retreating when startled by a loud sound or movement. Civets mark their territories with the secretions from cheek glands and an anal gland. They also make use of civetries, depositing their droppings in large piles in order to leave a physical and scent marking which claims their territory. Their marking points are commonly located along a set route which are within 100 meters of their civetry. Civetries commonly contain the bones of small animals, rings from millipedes, and vegetable matter, including fruits and seeds. The role of civets in the dispersal of seeds in African woodland is currently being studied. Their fur is coarse and wiry, with dark and light coloration composed of stripes, spots, and blotches, which creates a cryptic pattern, allowing it to blend into dense undergrowth and nighttime shadows. This is especially important as they spend the daylight hours resting in thick grass or under vegetation. They have a dorsal crest of longer hair running along their spine, and when threatened, they will cause this crest to erect and make itself look bigger in order to intimidate the threat. Civets are omnivorous, eating both plants and animals, including rodents, eggs, fruits, seeds, and berries, insects, and reptiles. These animals are known for their tolerance of toxic prey items, eating millipedes, some amphibians, and even snakes. The millipedes, or shongololo, are known to contain both hydrochloric acid and hydrogen cyanide. This would normally be enough to deter any predator, but the civet seems to be immune or resistant to these toxins, readily consuming them as a regular prey item. These beautiful creatures are classified by the IUCN as least concern, due to their adaptability, wide variety of diet, and their tolerance of human encroachment on their natural habitat. They are, unfortunately, one of the most abundantly found mammals in the bushmeat markets of Africa, and are hunted for their fur, skulls, meat, and the secretions of their anal gland. These secretions are highly prized in the perfume industry, as it contains civetone, a pungent, oily secretion. This drives the capture and farming of civets in order to obtain this substance. This product is primarily exported from African countries to the European perfume industry. The fawn population is completely captured from the wild, and the conditions and methods of this industry are questionable at best, especially since a synthetic alternative has been available for almost 70 years. Fortunately, the African civet population currently seems stable, their adaptability and small size playing in their favor, allowing them to persist where other predators no longer occur.